How to fix Nintendo account banned. To fix a banned Nintendo account, you must contact the Nintendo customer support directly. So go ahead and launch your device's web browser or simply head to the Nintendo console's help center. Now once you're here within the website, go ahead and tap on this address bar, then type Nintendo support. Once you type this, you should be able to access the official site. From here, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this, then proceed to log into your account. From here, once you type in your login credentials, you should be able to determine your ban status. If your account is just a simple account suspension or you are facing a console ban. Now, to appeal the ban, once you identify your ban status, you simply have to trigger it by heading to this support option. From here, select the manage accounts option. From here, head to the accounts option and proceed to open a support ticket. And if this does not work, you simply have to call the customer service and explain your issue calmly and honestly. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.